What's up, everybody? Larry Porter here, and I'm back once again. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about accredited travel agent training. So you're pretty much online and you're looking for some training to become a travel agent, and you're trying to see what's the best training, what's the good accredited training that you can take to become the perfect travel agent. Well, allow me to share something with you, so make sure you stay to the end of this video, as I'm going to be sharing where you can get accredited travel agent training. Okay, the good thing about getting the proper training is what I'm about to recommend is that the training that you're going to receive is all up under one umbrella. I recommend a company called PlanNet Marketing. They are also partnered with Intel Travel. Now, you can receive everything you need up under this one home-based business opportunity. Okay, you can get your travel agent training, your resources, your tools, step-by-step, everything laid out to make sure you become the best travel agent possible. Okay, so the time frame as far as learning, you can learn rather quickly. Everything is step-by-step, and you also become certified within, I'm talking about very quickly. Okay, so if you want to learn more about PlanNet Marketing, it's also partnered with Intel Travel. I have a special presentation that I want you to watch. Click that link below this video or within this video to learn more about how you can get this travel agent training and become a travel agent today. Okay, so guys, I just want to share that with you. Not a long video, just want to take my time and shoot this video so point you in the right direction where you can get the best accredited online travel agent training. Okay, so be sure to click those links, watch the presentation, enroll today, and start taking your training to be a perfect travel agent. All right, Larry Porter, and I'm signing off. Be blessed and happy marketing. Bye-bye.